The 172 Toyota Yaris with a push bumper. All we're going to do now is just apply the heat, just heat it up a little bit. Come in from behind, we took off the wheel arch from there, and just give it a little push and we'll see how it turns out. Stay tuned. Here we go. This is literally only a couple of minutes, not even a couple of minutes. Now there is paintwork damage on it. We're not doing any paintwork damage. The customer just wanted us to push the bumper out, and that's it. This is real time. We haven't done anything different here. This is real time. They were quoted, I don't know, I think they said they were quoted about 800 to 1,000 euros to replace this bumper. So we said we'd come out, have a look, see what we could do. As you can see there, guys, this is pretty impressive. Obviously there's a bit of paintwork damage there, a bit of scraping there. They said they're not concerned about that. It's just get the dent out best we can, and that's it, done. So what are we in at now? 1 minute 20 seconds and we're done. That's it. As good as we're going to get it. Small little bit of a little mark there, but other than that, that is pretty good. Okay, 1 minute 30 seconds, done.